Hi everyone. So this is Christmas Eve and it's 8 p.m. in Fisherman Village in Bophut. So yes, for sure, since the test and go program applied, even if it's cancelled for now, there is much more people on the island, as you can see. So the island is trying to have a view. So like I told you, yeah, since the test and go applied, as you can see, many tourists reached the island. And right now I'm the Coco piece just next to Coco Tam's, and it's quite full of people. There's going to be the huge firework, and as you after this fire show, let's have a look in the Fisherman Village street. So this is Christmas Eve, and now right now it's around 8 p.m. So quite a lot of people. Really, after 1 year and a half, almost 2 years without anyone on the island, I'm amazed to see so many people around. The open kitchen of the Coco Tams. So of course it's still not normal situation. It's not normally, it would be like full of people everywhere, but it's kind of low season, I would say. But all the restaurants open, sorry, and yeah, there is people right now. So Koh Samui is still alive. Yeah, the famous pancake, banana roti, banana pancake that you can find almost everywhere on the island. All the sellers are here, almost the minibus, because for the last Yeah, and the house on the island, we can't see any minibus on the road as they didn't have any clients to transport. But right now we can see many of them, many minibus around the island, which is a sign that the island is a bit more busy right now. The Smile House restaurant. When we will be back, we will buy some stuff because Vita saw soap for sale and she wants soap.
Now it's shop still open. Barbecue.
The Shack, which is a famous restaurant for steak and which is almost full. And one more minibus, like I told you, this is a sign that people came back on the island. Nemo. And the Frog and Gecko with many people at the bar. Fine. Tell her she was not nice this year, she will have no gift. Because she was not nice this year. You know, you must be nice to get gift. I will stop the video to make a photo. Alright, so after this short break, because Vita as always wants to make stops, because she saw Santa Claus and wanted, of course, a picture with him. What we did. Yeah, so all the shops in Fisherman's are open. Really, Fisherman is now the place which is the most busy at the moment. What? Sorry guys, I make short break during the video because we see things that we want to have a look. Yeah, a lot of things are open. The spa are now open, even if it's evening time. You can get a massage even on Christmas Eve. If you need a foot massage, an oil massage, a body massage, whatever, you can get it. It doesn't matter what time is it in Thailand, you can ever get a massage even on Christmas Eve. Yeah, it's nice to see all the places alive like that. Amazonas. Yeah, almost 90% of the shops and restaurants are open, which is quite amazing compared to what it was a few months ago. Alright guys, so it was Fisherman Village on Christmas Eve on around 8 p.m. Of course we will try to do the same for New Year's Eve, as we plan to come have dinner here and maybe to go on the beach for the fire show on midnight. So Vita saw some friends. I will leave you and see you on the next video. Bye bye.